weak is going here.
No, you don't. Look at this fucking barrel on that thing.
Guys, I suggest walking as a team.
That sounds like terrorist talk.
When can we leave?
I'll tell you when you can leave, right?
Joey, seriously, could you please put down the gun?
I have to make it paranoid.
You are paranoid. This is trouble in terror. Well, Danetown, as I call it.
I won't point to a direction.
Trouble in Joey Town. This is he's
I won't
a
point to a
terrorist. He's a
direction.
terrorist.
I'll point.
Right, you may leave the building.
Fuck this noise.
Early discharge. Now, guys, while I'm recording, I'm not in this game, alright? So you can trust me. I'm a marshal for now. Next game, I'll jump in.
Fuck this. I'm gonna need precision.
The paranoia is so funny to watch.
Yeah. Fucking hell. Fuck this noise. Ah!
Did Darren shoot you?
Yes, I didn't shoot anyone.
Right. Well, that's giving everyone a hint. And all for the purpose of my own protection, I'm keeping this gun out. Right, you know who the terrorist is now.
I know, Rain.
Right, guys, remember you have to figure out who the terrorist is. Right, so
I've got a problem. The pellets aren't even shooting.
wind the mag.
What?
Wind it. You have to keep winding it. Right, guys, the first terrorist is Darren. Right, guys, the first terrorist has let himself be revealed, and it's Darren. Yeah, Darren is the first terrorist. Where's he gone? Marshall! You sneaky conniving bastard. You didn't even shoot him.
That's because this gun will work.
What the wind it?
That's everybody.
Don't fucking mind.
Right, that's game!
Look, the pellets are just